will discuss tension difference between the lowest and highest position in vertical circular motion. In this diagram we can see we have considered a particle of mass m which is attached to a long string and it is wheeled in a vertical circle of radius r. Now at highest position in vertical circular motion, that is at A, let V1 is the linear speed and T1 is the tension in the string. Similarly, at lowest position at point B, V2 is the linear speed and T2 is the tension in the string. Now at lowest position B, at B, we can see tension in the string. It is along the string towards the center of the circular path, and the weight acting on the object is in the downward direction, and the resultant of this is nothing but the centripetal force. So therefore we can write T2 minus mg is equal to resultant centripetal force, that is mv square upon r. Here v we have assumed as 2, so we can write v2. Therefore tension at point B is given by T2 is equal to mv2 square upon r plus mg. Similarly, if we look at the highest position, we can see tension in the string T1 and mg both are directed in the same direction, and resultant of these two is given by the centripetal force. So we can write T1 plus mg, because both of them they are in the same direction, gives the resultant force as a centripetal force, that is mv square upon r, but here we have assumed as v1, so this is v1 square. Therefore we can write this as T1 is equal to mv1 square upon r minus mg. This equation gives tension at the lowest position, that is at point B, and this equation gives tension at highest position, that is at point A. Therefore now for finding tension difference, we can write T2 minus T1 is equal to T2, we can write this as this is mv2 square upon r plus mg minus T1, that is mv1 square upon r minus mg. Therefore T2 minus T1 is equal to, we can write mv2 square upon r plus mg. If we open this bracket, we are going to get minus mv1 square upon r minus this become plus mg. So therefore T2 minus T1 is equal to, now we can see from these two terms we can take out m by r common, so we can write m upon r into bracket v2 square minus v1 square plus this mg and mg, it becomes 2mg. But we know that v2, that is linear speed at the lowest position, it is root phi gr, and v1, that is at highest position, it is root gr. So we will substitute the values of v2 and v1. So therefore we can write T2 minus T1 is equal to m by r into bracket v2 square, that is root phi gr square, that is 5gr minus v1, that is root gr square, that is gr plus 2mg. Therefore T2 minus T1 is equal to 5gr minus gr, this is 4gr, so we can directly write this is 4mgr upon r plus 2mg. This r will get cancelled with this r, so therefore we can write T2 minus T1 is equal to 4mg plus 2mg, that is 6mg. This is the equation which gives us the tension difference between the lowest and highest position in vertical circular motion. Now we will discuss tension difference between mid and highest position in vertical circular motion. Here we can see a particle of mass m attached to a string and wheeled in a vertical circle. C is the mid position and A is the highest position. At highest position, the linear speed of the particle is v1 and tension in the string is T1. At mid position, the linear speed of the particle is V3 and tension in the string is T3. Now at mid position, that is at point C, the tension T3 is completely given by the centripetal force. So we can write tension T3 is equal to mv square upon r. Here we have assumed it as V3, so we can write mv3 square upon r. Whereas at the highest point, that is at point A, the tension is given by tension T1 is equal to mv square upon r. Here we assume as V1, so mv1 square upon r minus mg. This is the tension at the highest point and this is the tension at midpoint in the vertical circular motion. Therefore, now for finding this tension difference, we can write T3 minus T1 is equal to mv3 square upon r minus into bracket mv1 square upon r minus mg. Now we are going to open this bracket, therefore T3 minus T1 is equal to mv3 square upon r minus mv1 square upon r minus it becomes plus mg. Now we can take out m by r common from these two terms, so we can write T3 minus T1 is equal to m by r into bracket v3 square minus v1 square plus mg. But we know that v3, that is the speed at point C, which is the mid position, is root 3 rg, and v1, which is at the highest position, which is root rg. So we can substitute this value, so we can write T3 minus T1 is equal to m by r into bracket v3, that is root 3 rg square. So it becomes 3 rg minus v1, that is root rg. So we can add this is nothing but only rg plus mg. So therefore T3 minus T1, 3 rg minus rg, that is 2 rg. So we can write 2 mgr upon r plus mg. This r will get cancelled with this r. So we can write T3 minus T1 is equal to 2 mg plus mg, that is 3 mg. This is the equation for tension difference between the mid and highest position in vertical circular motion.